Hi guys, I hope everyone is doing great. If you are new to my channel, my name is Nancy. Please subscribe, share and like my videos, and please also put on your notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Previously, I made a video on how to draft a corset. So in today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to sew a corset. I'll drop the link in the description box on how to draft a corset. The first step is to place the pattern on the fabric of your choice to trim out the shapes without adding extra allowance to the fabric. In this tutorial, I'll make use of two interfacing, which is the S-day interfacing and the flexible foam interfacing. Next step is to use each pieces of the fabric to trim out the S-day. This is the centerpiece, which I will use a iron to melt the glue on the S-day to the fabric. Please avoid ironing the velvet itself because this could ruin the nap and damage the embossing on the surface. In order not to waste much of our time, I'll use the same process for ironing each pieces. Now I've gummed the S-day to each pieces. The next step is to introduce the flexible foam. Flexible foam will be used for the bust region alone. Now I'll place the right side of the bust cup on the foam as shown to trim out. After trimming the right side of the cup, I'll place the left side of the cup on the foam to trim out. Next step is on how to sew the corset. So let's work with the right cup. Now I'll bring the upper piece together as shown, then place the other side on it and sew by half an inch. Here I've sewn by half an inch. Now I'll open it up, then place it back to its position. Then I'll take the lower cup to place the other side on it as shown. To sew the curved side by half an inch. Here I've sewn it by half an inch. Now I'll repeat the same sewing process for the left cup. The cup, I'll attach the upper piece to the lower piece as shown, making sure that it is well aligned by taking note of the lines. Then I'll sew by half an inch. Now I have achieved both cups. The next step is to attach the side piece to the center piece. To do this, I'll sew the side piece to the center piece by half an inch as shown. After attaching the side piece to the center piece, I'll use the iron to steam the sewn seam as shown without directly placing the iron on the fabric. Please take note that for the lining, you only need the stay interfacing. We are almost done. The next step is to attach the cup to the body of the corset, and always take note of the lines before joining. Now I'll take this to the straight sewing machine to attach the cup to the body of the corset. To attach the cup to the body of the corset, there are techniques in doing this, so I'll make sure that the line is well aligned. Now I'll use the sewing machine needle to hold this together to adjust the cup and the body of the corset for easy sewing. So I just sewed one side of the right cup. To sew the second side of the right cup, I'll place the body of the corset on the cup as shown, starting from the center of the line. Attach the second cup. I'll use the same process I used in attaching the first cup as shown. Hello guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You should give it a try, and if you're new to my channel, my name is Nancy. Please subscribe, share and like my videos, and always put on your notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you.